Okay, we're going to start a new week of letter sounds and words. It goes for 5 days. This week we're going to be focusing on the R blends at the beginning of our words. So let's have some fun with this. Just follow directions and we'll get going. Here we are. Starting off with our letter names and sounds. Letter is K, sound is K. Letter is E, sound is E. Letter is X, sound is X. Letter is O, sound is A. Letter is A, sound is A. Letter is V, sound is V. Letter is C, sound is K. Letter is Y, sound is Y. Letter is D, sound is D. Letter is Z, sound is Z. Letter is L, sound is O. Letter is F, sound is F. Letter is J, sound is J. Letter is G, sound is G. Letter is H, sound is H. Letter is N, sound is N. Letter is B, sound is B. Letter is M, sound is M. Letter is Q, sound is Qu. Letter is W, sound is W. Letter is S, sound is S. Letter is I, sound is I. Letter is P, sound is P. Letter is T, sound is T. Letter is U, sound is and letter is R, sound is Now we'll go into our blends, which are two sounds put together quickly to help us read faster. Also our digraphs, which is going to be two letters working together to make a new sound, and our trigraphs, three letters working together for a new sound. Let's focus on that R blend to start. BR, burr, bread. GR, gur, grasshopper. PR, per, present. DR, dir, drum. CR, cur, crayons. FR, fur, frog. TR, tur, truck. SHR, sure, shrek. SL, soul, slide. FL, full, flower. GL, gull, globe. TH, 13. SW, swing. SH, sheep. CH, chick. WH, whale. TW, 12. SP, spoon. SPR, spur, spring. CL, cool, clock. PL, pull, play. SN, snake. SC, scooter. ST, star. BL, bull, blue. STR, stir, strawberry. SCR, scream. SPL, spull, splash. THR, three. SQU, square. PH, phone. SM, smile. And SK, skunk. Next thing we're going to move into is our rhyming pairs. So we're going to have our thumbs here in the middle. Two words I say rhyme, thumbs up. Two words don't rhyme, thumbs down. I'll give you a pause to get the answer. Here we go. First one. Drum, crumb. Drag, brag. Trip, trap. Crab, crib. Grant, slant. Brush, crush. Drip, trip. Grip, grape. Crop, drop. And drill, frill. Okay, next one is we're going to find the beginning R blend in the word. Okay, I'm going to be sliding the word down my arm. This point I'm looking for is the first sounds that we're hearing, that beginning blend. Here we go. Drum, drum, dir, brag, brag, burr, trip, trip, tur, crab, crab, cur, grant, grant, gur, frill, frill, fur, prop, prop, purr, brush, brush, burr, crop, crop, cur, and drip, drip, dir. Okay, I'm going to tell you the beginning blend, the rest of the rhyme, put them together, tell me what the word is. Here we go. Gur, ab, grab, per, s, press, dir, aft, draft, cur, ib, crib, burr, ed, bread, burr, ag, brag, dir, ill, drill, fur, og, frog, dir, op, drop, and tur, uck, truck. Okay, now I'm gonna say 3 words, and we're gonna find the ending sound. So I'll be sliding the words down my arm. We're listening for the ending sound. All 3 words in the pair will have the same ending sound. Let's find out what it is. Here we go. Slice, plus, house, flake, stack, broke, groan, run, brain, rub, globe, tribe, is, was, fuzz, z, slight, not, flute, drag, mug, frog, g, slide, told, stayed, d. Okay, it's time to segment our words. We're gonna chop the beginning R blend off and then give me the rhyme at the other side. Here we go. Drip, drip, dir, ip. Crash, crash, cur, ash. From, fur, Trump, trump, tur, drift, drift, dir, ift. Branch, branch, bur, anch. Crept, crept, cur, ept. Drum, drum, dir, brunch, brunch, bur, unch. And trap, trap, tur, app. Okay, Time to change our word around. I'll tell you the word, I'll take away the beginning, give you an R blend, tell me what the new word is. Here we go. Drum. Take away der, add cur. Crumb. Brag. Take away burr, add der. Drag. Trip. Take away ter, add ger. Grip. Brant. Take away burr, add ger. Grant. Crop. Take away cur, add der. Drop. Brush. Take away burr, add cur. Crush. Drill. Take away der, add fur. Frill. Okay. Now we're going to add to a beginning to a word. Some of it may be just adding a sound and creating an R blend, or I may be adding an R blend. Okay, so let's just work on this one. Here we go. Red. Add buh to the beginning. Bread. End. Add fur to the beginning. Friend. Ill. Add der to the beginning. Drill. Rap. Add t to the beginning. Trap. And. Add ger to the beginning. Grand. Okay, now I'm going to take away. Again, blends can be pulled apart. They're two sounds working together just to speed up things. So I'm going to be taking away some of it where I'll take away the whole R blend, but also I may just take away the beginning sound and leave the R behind. So here we go. Track. Take away t. Rack. Drum. Take away der. Crush. Take away k. Rush. Crash. Take away k. Rash. And brand. Take away burr. And. Okay, we're going to end with our nursery rhyme. I'm going to give you a couple of lines today. We add a couple each day until we have the whole nursery rhyme. So, pretty sure we're going to know this one though. Here we go. It's raining, it's pouring. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. That's it for today. I know you guys can keep going, so go ahead and have fun with it. But now let's say it all together. Here we go. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you guys later.